Congress hits back at PM panel population report. Congress has said Modi wants to divide the country. He wants to create a divide between communities. The Prime Minister is ignoring real issues like inflation, like Vikas. The Congress hitting out at the Economic Advisory Council's report as well. We've got more breaking news that's coming in at the moment. Owaisi now rubbishes the Hindu share decline report. He says that the report is in fact from WhatsApp University. He was asked on the declining share of the Hindu population in the country, as has been suggested in the PM panel report, which is the Economic Advisory Council's report, which said that there had been a 43% rise in Muslim population share in the country between 1950 and 2015, whereas there had been a decline in the majority population's share, which is the Hindu population, by 7.8%. Listen in to Asaduddin Owaisi. They're calling it a report from WhatsApp University.
आबादी को लेकर जो रिपोर्ट आई है उसमें कहा गया है कि हिंदुओं की हिस्सेदारी
की रिपोर्ट है, किसकी रिपोर्ट है, किसकी रिपोर्ट है, ये किसकी रिपोर्ट है वो बोलिए पहले आप, और रिपोर्ट फॉरवर्ड करिए, हम पढ़ के बोलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, आपकी बात पे भरोसा नहीं करते हम।
नहीं, ये देखिए,
नहीं, रिपोर्ट किसकी है, ये रिपोर्ट कौन बनाया है, ये
इसमें जो लिखा गया है,
नहीं लिखा नहीं गया,
हाँ।
लिखा नहीं गया है, व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का तो नहीं चलेंगे। रिपोर्ट किसने बनाई, किसकी रिपोर्ट है बताइए।
आपको लगता है कि
नहीं, मेरे को लगना नहीं लगने का सवाल नहीं है।
Abdul Bashir, my colleague, is now joining us for more on this. Asaduddin Owaisi, of course, declines to comment on that report, saying, I'm not going to respond to anything from WhatsApp University. I want to see the report, who's made this report. This, of course, is going to turn into a major political controversy, won't it, Abdul?
Well, absolutely. This report that has come out, this has created a major controversy, wherein right now Asad Owaisi, who had stated that he has not seen the report, and this report is a WhatsApp University report that has, is going viral. So he will just look into it and then get back on that, is what Owaisi had to say.
Okay. Abdul there, of course, tracking all those developments. Asaduddin Owaisi says he will not comment on the report until he's seen the report. This is the Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council, which has prepared this report released in the month of May itself, where it says that between 1950 to 2015, the share of the Hindu population has declined by 7.8%, whereas Muslim population has increased by 43%.